I work for Starbucks for it's going on about 10 years now, which is pretty crazy to say out loud. But I have a really good interpersonal experience working years ago at a store in Portland. Um, we just got a new manager. The new manager was younger than I was. I was like 24 at the time. Uh, Needless to say, we both didn't get along very well. I don't know, it was kind of weird. But there seemed to be some hidden tension. So one day we're working with another coworker, and he's in the back and he pops his head around and gives me a snarky comment. And I visibly show I'm mad. I did the wrong thing. So we're both walking around visibly upset. So what I did was to ask him to sit down for a conversation to smooth things out because we were both rather irritated. So I wanted to calm us both down. So during the conversation, admittedly, things got a little heated. We were both pretty mad about stuff, but both of our feelings were put out onto the table. We both said our words, and in the end, we were able to build a new respect out of our conversation. Our coexistence at the workplace was a lot better. We It was just great to sit down and talk it out instead of like harbor this bad feeling inside. So I think that's a good thing that I bring to the table is I'm really personable and I can usually work with anybody. And this was a hard case for me, but in the end, it worked out.